Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we'll be starting a series of video lectures on nouns. Okay, so nouns will be a separate playlist on my channel and all the videos related to the topic nouns which will be coming in future will be enlisted in that particular playlist, so you can check that playlist out. So without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. So basically the word noun, which is in English language, is derived from a Latin word, and that Latin word is Norman. So Norman is that Latin word from which we derive the word noun. So let us understand that what we mean by noun. So noun is a name of a person, of course, a place, an animal, thing, or idea. So persons such as Mr. Narendra Modi, Muhammad, Danny, Cassie, etc. Place, name of a place such as London, Saudi Arabia, Mysore, Jaipur. Name of an animal like lion, tiger, wolf, elephant, and things such as book, phone, diary, glasses. And noun also means that the names of ideas like ideas such as it can be an emotion also, it carries an abstract notion such as bravery, patriotism, love, hope, sadness, happiness. Okay, all these feelings comes under noun. So noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Now let us understand the classification of nouns. So there will be three basic classification of nouns. So here I am not explaining you one by one because I'll be making separate video on each of the topic that I am mentioning. Okay, this is just an overview. So type 1 consists of kinds of nouns like common noun, city, teacher, school, etc. Proper noun, name of proper places such as St. Patrick's Vidya Bhavan, name of a person like Joseph Anthony, name of a place such as Andaman and Nicobar Island. We always write it with the capital letter. Then comes collective noun. Collective noun such as a bunch of keys, an army of soldiers, a group of people. Abstract noun, feelings and emotions such as beauty, hatred, anger, and happiness. Comes the fifth category of noun, that is material noun, which relates to concrete objects such as wood, gold, brass, etc. Then comes countable noun. As the name itself suggests that countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted like people, pen, cup, etc. Then comes uncountable nouns, nouns which cannot be counted like water, rice, sand. You cannot say give me one water, you will say a glass of water, right? So then comes compound nouns, nouns which are made up of two types of noun. Bed and time makes bedtime, fire and fighter makes firefighter, then bus conductor, etc. Then comes possessive noun. So possessive noun shows ownership and possession of a noun, of course, like father's laptop, fishes, bowls, and women's opinion. So that were the type number 1. Let's understand the second classification of nouns, that is type 2, gender. The first one is feminine noun, feminine gender, which relates to the female gender of noun of humans and animals such as actress, peahen, mare. Whereas when we switch to masculine, it relates to the male category of animals or humans like actor, peacock, or horse. Then you have the third one, which is common, from which it is not clear that we are referring to male or female. For example, a teacher could be a male teacher or a female teacher. Similarly with doctor, engineer, and employee. Next is neuter gender. So basically when you refer to neuter gender, it is always inanimate or non-living objects such as table, cloth, shoe. So this was all about the classification according to type 2, that is gender. Now jump on to. So let us study the third classification of noun. The first one was the kind of noun. The second playlist was what? The second playlist was about the gender of the noun. So the third classification is according to number. So according to number we have singular, that means one noun, and plural means more than one noun. Singular, for example, girl, elf, prince, etc. Then similarly you have plural, which relates to more than one noun, girls, elves, princes, etc. So that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends. And there will be a separate playlist on nouns that I'll be covering everything under it, so please stay tuned to my videos.